will show you how to edit PDF files easily, like without any hesitation, without any external softwares that you're gonna be using. All what you need to do, open browser, then go just type PDF editor and go for the first one. Upload any PDF file that you want. I will just make it hidden for now. I will get any PDF file. This one. So just wait for it, and then you will just get the text here from one, and then you will just type as usual, and you will just download, just press down here, and just download as PDF. That's it, guys. How to edit PDF files in very easy steps. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Peace.